Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed Sani Aldu from Software Development Track, and my ID is FE/23/1698114, and here with me is
Bashar Shehu from the Cybersecurity Track with a fellow ID 70792034. And in this July edition of Knowledge Showcase, we are teaming up to solve a critical digital problem, the password predicament.
User authentication is the process of giving access to the legitimate system users and denying the same to illegitimate users. And also, password and PIN remains the most commonly used authentication mechanisms, but they are vulnerable.
Short and easy passwords are vulnerable to brute force attack, dictionary attack, and even guessing attack. Long and complex passwords are secure, but very difficult to remember. So we ask ourselves, how can we design an authentication system that is secure, easy to use, and actually memorable?
Our answer is to have a two-stage user authentication system. It uses idioms, which are phrases that people naturally remembers, and distorted human faces that users can recognize at a glance. Remember the saying, a picture speaks 1,000 words.
Here is how it works. During registration, users choose 3 idiomatic expressions and 3 human faces, which will later be used as their password. At login, these idiomatic expressions are broken down into their individual words and displayed to the user in a grid of 12 words containing 1 correct word from his choosing idiomatic expressions and the other 11 decoy words. Likewise, the images are displayed in a grid of 12 images containing 1 correct image from the user's chosen images and 11 other decoy images. In each phase of the selection process, these words and images are randomized using Fisher-Yates algorithm. This randomization defeats shoulder-surfing attack, dictionary attack, brute force attack, and even social engineering attack. The user gets 3 chances to select the correct combination, otherwise the system locks out for security reasons. Now, this system strikes the right balance. It is secure because it is dynamic and hard to guess. It is usable and memorable because it is based on things we naturally remember. We don't have to write our password down or even reset them often.
Whether it is for apps, school platforms, or internal systems, this approach makes login less painful without sacrificing security.
In just 3 minutes, we have shown you how cybersecurity and software development can come together to build a smarter user authentication system. Thank you for watching.